Elk Peak-nic. This is round 5 and we've got some takers, so we're gonna go for it. So here we go. We're a little after 6:06, but we're starting, so woo! Excited to have you guys. Have fun with it. Here we go. All right, on the bike, still climbing. This is the start of the bad climbing. We're 4.5 miles in, and this is where the grade of the road starts to pick up. Doesn't look bad now, but it'll get worse. To Sylvan Pass, now down to the lake. All right, into the water. Woo. All right, onto the trail run. Going up Harney Peak. Into the wilderness. Really close. A half mile to go. The grueling stairs. We're getting close. Started on Custer, rode the bike to the lake, just over here, Trailrun, came up these terrible steps, and now we're at the top. Oh. Time to have a quick snack. Snack today is a peanut butter cookie made by my wife. She made them last night at like 11:30, but they're ready to go this morning. That's what makes this the Peak-nic, having a snack at the top. Now time to head back down. We're sitting at hour 24 for the whole part. Here we go. Making, I feel like, pretty good time. Could be record setting. We'll see. Ah. All right, into the water. The last bike. Quads are feeling it. Yeah! We got the crew!
Yay, Isaac! Wait.
What's up, my man? Can I have a high five? Oh, thanks, buddy. Woo! Looking at the time, 2 hours, 37 minutes. So, we set the record, cut off 3 minutes from last year. Woo! Yeah, we did it.
We did it.
Now to go get some breakfast.